In this session, we'll be learning how to construct a solar day lighting using manual charge controller 12 volts 10 ampere, solar battery 12 volts 100 ampere hours, solar panel 75 watts and 4x LED light 12 volts DC 5 watts. At the end of this session, you will be able to know what a solar day lighting system is, identify the components of the system, understand its operating principle and perform the steps to construct a solar day lighting system using a manual charge controller. Day lighting is the direct sunlight, diffused skylight and light reflected from the ground and surrounding elements into a building for saving energy and for reducing electric lighting. A day lighting system consists of skylights, windows, and a controlled daylight responsive lighting system. When adequate lighting is available from daylight, the solar daylight system is capable of reducing electric lighting power. A day lighting system not only creates a productive and visually inspiring atmosphere for residents of a building, but also reduces as far as 1/3 of the total energy cost for the building. With an appropriate solar day lighting system, one can utilize solar gains in heating load periods and mitigate solar gains in cooling load periods. This reduces the energy requirements of heating as well as cooling a space. Day lighting control is preferred in an SPV DC electrical system, which can be totally independent of AC mains supply. The components of a solar day lighting system include an SPV module, a manual charge controller, a solar battery, an LED light, and sockets, switches, and wires as necessary. A charge controller is basically a voltage and/or current regulator to charge batteries and prevent them from overcharging. It regulates the voltage and current coming from the solar panels and going to the battery. For domestic products such as day lighting, SPV systems designed exclusively for DC loads are used. DC is of constant magnitude or amplitude and it remains at the same amplitude from the moment of switching on to the moment of switching off. The polarity of the voltage source does not change. The solar wires used in this system are made from either copper or aluminium. These materials provide reliable connectivity and can transfer electricity from solar panels to a house. LED lights are the lighting element in a solar day lighting system as they are efficient and are of low cost. These lights are available with different wattage ratings such as 3 watts, 5 watts, 7 watts and 9 watts. Users can opt for the bulb based on the lighting requirement and the wattage capacity of the system. The solar day lighting system is directly linked to electric lighting systems and it uses sensors and actuators to identify the amount of daylight available at any given point in time. The system adjusts the artificial light based on the amount of natural sunlight available. The solar photovoltaic SPV module receives solar energy and converts that to electric energy. The lighting system stores this electric energy and adjusts the artificial lights. It has necessary devices to store electricity such as a solar battery and a charge controller. Here is the procedure to construct a solar day lighting using manual charge controller. Make sure you have the tools and instruments or equipment required to construct a solar day lighting using manual charge controller such as a manual charge controller 12 volts 10 ampere, solar battery 12 volts 100 ampere hours, solar panel 75 watts, 4x LED light 12 volts DC 5 watts, sockets, switches and wires as necessary. To construct a solar day lighting system using a manual charge controller, wire the load circuit using conduit pipes, sockets, switches and wires in parallel connection. Make sure you take care of polarities and keep the switches in off position. Next, connect the LED bulbs and verify that the charge controller is in off position. Connect the load wires positive and negative to the corresponding output ports on the charge controller. Then, connect the fully charged solar battery 12 volts 100 ampere hours to the battery input terminals of the charge controller. Following that, connect the solar panel 75 watts to the solar input terminals of the charge controller and place the solar panel in sunlight. Perform a check to ensure that the charging LED is on and then switch on the charge controller. Verify that the output LED is on and then switch on the LED bulbs one by one and test the day lighting circuit. We have reached the end of this session on construct a solar day lighting using manual charge controller 12 volts 10 ampere, solar battery 12 volts 100 ampere hours, solar panel 75 watts and 4x LED light 12 volts DC 5 watts. By now, you should be able to know what a solar day lighting system is, identify the components of the system, understand its operating principle and perform the steps to construct a solar day lighting system using a manual charge controller.